Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do a road trip. I'm going to go to the lake first and then to Frattura, which is a town right above the lake. You see the view of the lake and it's really nice. Today is a beautiful day. Right now it says it's 20 degrees Celsius, so the sun should be much more. And it's going to be fun because the weather is great and the lake, hopefully there is not many people, even if it's Saturday. And let's see how it goes. I'm going to do time lapse of the road because we're going through the canyon again. And probably I'm going to take some other shots from above the lake in Frattura. Okay, so I'll see you on the road.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So I'm in Frattura, and this is the view from Frattura. This is the Scanno Lake, and down there is Scanno, the town, and this is Frattura. Is on the sides of a mountain, and actually the lake, there was a huge landslides on top of this mountain up here, and basically the lake got formed. This was probably 10,000 years ago, and actually this town Frattura was not rebuilt but moved, because the old town was behind there, and it was completely destroyed by an earthquake in 1915. So they rebuilt the town further up the mountain, and so it's just, the town is along one road, and the road doesn't go anywhere. And this down there is Villa Lago, which is famous because there are deers and a bear hanging around down there. There's a bear in the Scanno too, and that's because those mountains down there and up there and up here, they're inside the Abruzzo National Park. Scanno, and this lake is not. I never understood why. And it's really nice. The weather is great, temperature is fantastic. Beautiful day. Very, very nice. Anyway, now I'm going back to Sulmona. I'm actually going to do a test, the one pedal drive test. I'm going to make a video about it, and that's it. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification if you already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.